hi, Ms. Qualls. This was I guess, the best option I could think of in terms of showing evidence of having worked at HT for 5 consecutive years. So I'm just gonna log into my into the system, go to academics. I'll just show you that this is me, Shawanda Stewart. Past courses. So you see dating back to 2009, 2010, again, 2010, 2011, 2012, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. So, I don't know if I have other documentation on campus. I'm not going to be able to get to campus for a couple of weeks, and so if this doesn't suffice, I guess just let me know, and I will move on to Plan B. All right, thanks.